Alright, so I just received my software update a couple days ago, and so I just got my free 30-day trial of FSD, full self-driving, so I wanted to try it out with this new Cybertruck inspired steering wheel. So I don't think I've seen any videos yet of FSD using a squircle. So let's pretend that we're in a Cybertruck right now, which I wish I was, but I guess I'm number 2 million on the waiting list. But anyways, kind of coming up to a intersection here, and this is a 2 left turn lane, making a left turn. Let's make sure it stays on the left side. Alright, which it did, so that's good. So if there was another car right next to me, we wouldn't have crashed into it. But now, and just let the car drive me to work. So what can I say about this steering wheel? I might as well give you a little review of it while the car is driving me to work this morning. It's what time is it? It's about 6:20 in the morning. So it's nice and cold right now. What is it? 54 degrees outside. But if I grab onto my steering wheel, it's nice and toasty because I have it on level 2 heating. So far I've had it for about 7 days. It's pretty good. I really like it. All the functions work. The left scroll wheel, the right scroll wheel up increases my speed, down decreases my speed, and if I go to the right, I can change my actually right now it's on autopilot, it's on full self-driving, so I can change it to assertive, average, and I can change it to chill. But when I'm not on full self-driving, it'll increase or decrease my my speed. What else? I can alright, I can press this and talk to the Tesla. So turn on dome lights. There you go. Dome lights turn on. Change dome lights to auto. They should turn off. Alright. And my left scroll wheel works fine too. It can turn on and off my audio and increase the volume and decrease the volume, and also I can fast forward to the next track whenever I'm playing some music. So I don't want to play any music right now because then I'm gonna have to worry about some copyright stuff. So yeah, so but what, I don't know what more you could ask. Everything works, all the functions work. I did have an issue with the heater, the heated steering wheel not working for about 2 days. So I don't know if it just had to reset, the computer just had to reset itself and figure out that everything's okay. So, but it took 2 days, and now my heater's working now, so no issues with that. But I think I said in my other video, I really wanted to get a yoke steering wheel for the longest time, but I didn't because I was on the fence on the yoke steering wheel because I felt like it was kind of dangerous not having a handle up on top. So just in case you know, you lose control or you have to swerve out of the way for, you know, to prevent an accident. Like, I wanted to be able to just grab the steering wheel anywhere. There's no handle up here on top, you know? So I think this squircle that they came out with, that comes on all the Cybertrucks, is the best of both worlds, or, you know, the best option as far as, you know, looking a little bit more futuristic, and not going with the conventional circular steering wheel, and it's still being safe. So that's why I really like this option that you can now get for your Tesla Model Y or Tesla Model 3. But I think it looks awesome, especially when you're using your full self-driving. You know, it's a little bit boring when you see a circle kind of like spinning around, but when you got a squircle or a yoke steering wheel, when you see that kind of like moving around, I think it's pretty cool. It looks like a ghost is driving. But yeah, you know what? I can't say enough about this full self-driving. I know once I finish this 30-day trial, I'm gonna want to subscribe to it, especially for $99 a month instead of buying it for $8,000 right now, because $8,000 will pay off in about 5 years, and I don't even know if I'm going to still have this car in 5 years. So hopefully they keep the $100 subscription. But check it out, the car's driving me to work. I don't have to worry about paying attention to the to my directions. I don't have to worry about missing my exit, which I sometimes do because, you know, I'm not paying attention to the signs. I just, you know what, it's driving is less stressful now for me whenever I use FSD, especially with how safe I feel, how FSD actually works nowadays, with this new system that they're using and teaching the AI with videos. Yeah, it really does feel like a human is driving the vehicle, and I feel very safe when it comes to being around other cars, being around pedestrians, bikers, motorcyclists, and these intersections. You know, these intersections are very, very complicated. They're complicated, you know, areas. So, but you can see it on the screen. It sees everything. It sees 360 degrees around the car. So I can't imagine now that it's getting even better every day, because of all the updates and all of the learning that it's that the AI is learning from all the videos that they are feeding it at Tesla. You know, this is just my opinion, but I can't see how this driving with a computer looking all around the car 360 degrees, you have I forget how many cameras that are mounted all around the car, looking around 24/7 for other cars, bicyclists, motorcyclists, you name it, right? Dogs, cats, people, pedestrians. I'm always worried and I'm always stressed out, just making sure that I'm looking around and I'm not gonna hit a pedestrian. I'm a bicyclist myself, so I know what it's like riding my bike around vehicles. You know, sometimes they just don't see you, right? They just don't see you, and accidents can happen. And I know I've been almost hit a few times riding here in the city or anywhere. But if you supplement a human driving a vehicle with a computer that is constantly looking around and with their video camera, with all the video cameras, I can't see how that is not going to be safer than just a human. Instead of like one person paying attention, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think there's 8. I don't know, 7 or 8 cameras. I forget how many cameras there are here up on top. You got all those cameras looking around for people, for you know, to prevent any kind of like accident from happening. So again, this is just my my opinion, but you know, I'm really enjoying using full self-driving right now on this Tesla, and with the new Cybertruck steering wheel installed. Of course, I can use my imagination actually and pretend that I'm actually driving a Cybertruck, which I was, but I wish I were, but I'm not. So yeah, what else can I say? I think in my other video, if you want to watch my installation video, I show you how, you know, I maneuver with the steering wheel. Since, you know, the car's driving itself right now, I'm not gonna show you all that stuff. But you know what? You can do hand over hand. You can drive like a bus driver if you want. You can do one. You can hold it with one hand up on top if you like to drive this way, gangster style. You can. What else can you do? If you like backing up with your hand at the 12 o'clock position and looking around over your shoulder, you can do that, you know. So this has all the functions of a round steering wheel, which is what I really like. And it slides. Oh, you can even like allow it to slide through your fingers, you know, whenever you're making left and right turns, and just let it slide back into place. So, you know, I don't see any safety issues when it comes to this Cybertruck type of steering wheel. So I'm gonna say I'm gonna say this is a really good option for upgrading your steering wheel for your car. See, look at this. If I was actually driving right now, I would just let the steering wheel slide in my hands, and it feels great. Oh, the quality. How is the quality? What can I say? Look at this. It looks like leather. It feels just like, you know, similar materials to what's already in the car. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's cheap at all, you know. It looks very stock, like it came from Tesla. But this airbag cover, I used my original. It has the T symbol. You can purchase a different cover if you like the other covers that say Tesla on it. I think you can buy different covers for it from Test Studio. It's just a little bit more expensive. So, but I opted for I just wanted to use my original airbag cover. So yeah, and my original airbag, you are gonna have to use your original airbag, which is a good thing. I didn't want to use a new airbag. I wanted to make sure that I used my original airbag that came with the car. So that's a good thing. And you can also buy this in white. If you do have white interior, this comes in white. So I purchased the black since I have the black interior. And I wish they had other color options or colorways with some carbon fiber, because I have a carbon fiber dashboard here. It would have been nice to match that, but you know what? They don't have it yet, but I'm sure they will in the future. But I think this looks awesome. And what else can I say? I'm really like, is there a better car out there in this world than I'm sorry, this is just my opinion, but I don't enjoy driving. I get stressed out. So this is, to me, this is the best car in the world. You know, any Tesla that has full self-driving, how can you beat that? I don't care if you have a supercar or whatever, but if you have a car that drives itself, an instant 24/7 chauffeur that'll take you to work every day, that'll take you to the grocery store, it'll take you to whatever commute you need to drive to, you know, if you're trying to drive to work. All right, thanks for checking out my Cybertruck inspired FSD steering wheel. But anyways, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a like, and if you want to subscribe, you can do that too. I have a whole bunch of other modification videos on my channel under car modifications. You could check them out. And I also created an install video for this squircle. If you want to install it in your car, you're going to want to check it out and get some pointers from me. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you what you think about the about this Cybertruck inspired steering wheel for your car. Let me know if you're going to get it for your car, and what you think about it. Um, and you can if you go to Test Studio and purchase one of these things, and you can use my discount code. It's my name. It's Aris, ARIS, and if you put that in the discount section, you'll get 18% off of your purchase. And Test Studio said that they'd give me a little small commission um, as well. So I'd really appreciate that from you if you did decide to purchase one. But all right, that's going to be it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for checking out my video.